Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Thank you so much, everyone. This is not a thank you message for my birthday, no. But I just want to say thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for the love, the birthday messages, gifts from people that I don't even know. I don't know. Anyway, I'll come to that story later. I want to address something. That is why I'm.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi FATHIA Balogun ó ti cry out lórí bí wọ́n ṣe sọ wípé òun pẹ̀lú arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí FUNKE Akíndélé wípé wọ́n ń jà ó dẹ̀ sọ wípé FUNKE Akíndélé wish òun ní happy birthday òun dẹ̀ kì í padà. Ẹ̀yin ọwọ́ òkòrò kágbọ́n ìjẹ́ wàhálà lákọ ni ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu FATHIA Balogun.
I'm here today. Thank you, everyone. I want to address bloggers. I've never done this in my entire life before. I know that the most important people in my life, my kids and my mom, if they see this, they will be surprised that why are you doing this? But I need to say my piece. Because some of us don't come to social media to rant, or because some of us don't come to social media to talk, you people are really taking us for granted. You understand? You people are taking us for granted. You always cause problem. You always cause wahala between colleagues. Everyone is peaceful, no fights, nothing. But you will create a fight between one person and the other. Blogs. I don't know how to do it. I would have snapped that thing and put it here for you guys to see. Funke Akindele greeted me. Sent message of love to me, happy birthday. Asked her, I call her Iyabeji. And I said, thanks, Iyabeji, with the emoji of love. Some blogger, Tosin Travels or whatever your name is, you're now using it to trend. I don't understand what you mean by that. I don't understand what you want to do with that. What do you want to cause again? Because you want your blog to have views, or because you want your so-called YouTube channel to have views? I don't do this. Please, I beg you. If you want to learn now, most people cause trouble in our lives to sell your whatever blogs you're doing. There will be no fights. There will be no wahala. But your blogs will come out to be causing wahala. What is it? I just saw it just now. I'm going to screenshot and put on my page. You just like to cause wahala between two people that nothing is happening. She's monitoring spirits, nini, and shawani. What's your business the way anybody greets anybody? I call Funke Akindele Iyabeji.